Hi everyone, my name is Ned Bellavance and welcome to my course Managing HashiCorp Vault. I am a Microsoft MVP and founder of Ned in the Cloud LLC. HashiCorp Vault is an open source secrets management platform that provides full lifecycle management of static and dynamic secrets in your environment. In this course, you will learn about the deployment and operations involved in managing a production instance of HashiCorp Vault. We will be focusing on several topics within the course, including selecting an architecture and deploying Vault, managing administrator access using roles, monitoring and protecting the Vault server, and configuring high availability and recovery. By the end of this course, you will be ready to design and deploy a production-worthy instance of Vault server and maintain the deployment on day 2 and beyond. Before beginning this course, you should have a basic understanding of Linux, experience using command line tools, familiarity with concepts around public cloud services, and experience using Vault server. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about HashiCorp Vault and some of the excellent features inside with the course Managing HashiCorp Vault at Pluralsight.